So right here, you see these two guns right here. And historic Fort Gaines, established 1821 inside the Battle of Mobile Bay. And so we're going to do this one today, and we're going to be doing Fort Morgan. We'll be taking a ferry going all the way across the water there, and it's way over there somewhere. We're going to go up here and check out the fort. Let's go do that. Check out that big ball there. Gigantic chain. Read this sign. Pause that and read that and you'll see. This right here, washed up 1998, but this is from a 19th century ship that was wiped out by a hurricane. So that stuff laid under the water for many years. How crazy is that? There it is looking back on it right there. And there's a great big ball. Anyway, we're working our way up closer to the fort there, as you can see. So let me see if I can get over there. Well, I'll tell you what, hang on with me just a second. So right here you can see Fort Gaines, that was 1821, the defense of Mobile Bay, named in honor of General Edmund Pendleton Gaines, 1777-1849, played an important part in early Alabama history, and while commandant of the Fort Stoddard, captured Aaron Burr near McIntosh over 1807. Wow. Okay. Let's see what we got here. British occupancy of Dauphin Island. You can see all that, and if you want, you can pause that and read all that. And here, give you that. You can pause that and try to read that. And a little drawing there. Civil War Discovery Trail right there. Then right here, you can see the campaigns of Mobile 1864 to 1865. It's an awful lot of reading to do here, so it took me 5 minutes to get this thing recorded. I'll just show you the whole thing and just let you know there's big battles here. So let's go over here and again see what we can see. So here's the entrance. You see these two big guns right here. We're going to walk right through. And of course you can see this great big wall. Goes down there. And likewise goes all the way down here. These big chains they got here. Got a little bit of water down here like a moat. Yeah, I already shot that, but she want me to get that again for some reason. So there it is. Got these big gates right here. They can lock them right there. So here you go. That's the admission. Hey. $9 for adults, $5 for kids, and $400 is free. All right, so right there's the door where I came in to Fort Gaines here, and this is an overview of it here. So we walked in right there. But anyway, you can see there are various little things here. There's a stone. Over here's a building. Oh, actually it's the bathroom. Never mind. Never mind, there's just bathrooms there. Alright, so then there's this building here. Well, here you can go up steps, or I guess you can walk up that. Let's go up the steps since nobody else is using these. Okay. So you can see I'm even with this roof here. Obviously would have been a big gun emplacement here, looks like. And then over there, of course they could have had guns over there too. All those holes you see to protect the land. See the flags up there flying. And the building right there. Guess I can get over to that somehow or another. We'll check it out and see. And then there's all that down there. So let's go take a look. All right, we're going to try to go through this as fast as we can. Stop one, Fort Gaines, the Overland. campaign. So you see that. So if you can pause that and read all of this, that's General Edward Canby right there. You can see that's obviously just a drawing of some sort, I'm sure. The armies gather. So if you can pause and read that, and then pause and read that. And this is General Dabney Maury of the Confederate States of America. Confederate battery Gladden, one of the fortunate ever by defending the city of Mobile. You can see a big overall view of a map right there. Can be moved, so again, just pause that, read all that. You can see those pictures. Faint to Foul River, which that is a river not very far from here. We crossed over coming here actually. You can see right there, pause that and read that. And again, there's your Faint to Foul River. Right there's the big map of that. And then you can, outside the museum, we got this. See if it goes anywhere. Yeah, there's a room. I wonder if this was another magazine. Got a feeling it is. Well, at least they got lights in here so you can see the rooms. And you see right there, I guess, where things could be passed to you. To get them out here quick. All right, let's go look in this building right here. Okay, definitely quarters here. Great big fireplace. Little wooden benches, and then these really, really comfortable looking beds. Shelf up there to put some stuff. Nice window at least. Not bad. Look how big these doors are. My goodness, those are big doors. Then here, somebody else's room. This is probably lower officers' quarters maybe. All right, then out here, well, let's see, here's another place to go in. The Quartermaster Building, it says. For its store for all military supplies like ammunition was stored distributed here by the quartermaster. Here's one of all supplies. And won't even charge soldiers for items damaged for a reason other than everyday use. So all of this stuff would have been in here. And you see more beds, supplies. There's a bed there, table, a couple of beds there. So let's go out this side. Okay. Now the magazine it says over here. Well, we get some a dim light, but at least they got a light in here so you can see. Ooh, big time cobwebs there. And then right here, so could have stored stuff in here. Yeah, now that's where you come in and out at, is over there. Voices from the past. Alright, guess we'll just start over here. I'll just give you a quick little rundown. Some maps and things. I know most people aren't going to be interested in this. Sullivan Bolera, I think is what that said. So yeah, a lot of this is too small to read. Some of the pictures. Franklin Buchanan. And then all that there. John Prather Reynolds. May 31, 1829 to December 30th, 1911. That's kind of neat to look at. Fort Gaines, 1862. So yeah, these are letters. Confederate soldier writes, I weigh 14 pounds more than I did when I left home. Wow. So he's actually gaining weight here, you see. He's eating good. Yeah, they got that typed up. Pretty cool. More typed up letters there. Martin A. Smith. More letters. Alright, so we'll go looking, I guess, the rest of these buildings here. Well, right here is something actually. Man. Well, that's a low, low door to go in, and here's just a room. Alright. Let's keep looking. Part of a ship, I take it. Hull rib section found in the Gulf from old shipwreck. Okay. The ship's rudder. This is a piece of shipwreck that was shown on Dauphin Island years ago. Supposed not, however, we know it was built in the 20th century. Okay. So not as old as that one out front. But still, this stuff survived so much. And then check it out here. It would have been that old anchor right there. Another piece there. Just a slab of rock there. Then we'll go back out. All right, then we can go down here in the end here. Okay, so very dark room, but I guess this could have been somebody's room. Let's put some sort of a rail system here to run things through here. Yeah, so the rail system keeps going. Probably a fireplace there. More stories. This was some sort of a magazine, I would imagine. Should have run things along here for weight. To move them about better, easier and safer. Yeah, then just another storeroom. How this one is. All right. Here is stop 15. Of course, I've been going badly out of order, I know, so I'm not trying to go in any order. I'm just looking at this stuff as I come across it. See, they got a little ramp built up here. Okay, then we just go into, let's see, latrine. This is not your everyday outhouse. It has 10 seats and connected by way of a culvert to bay. Come in once per day and flush the toilets. There's necessary being usually the latrines daily. It was connected to the courtyard by a long tunnel. Wow. Okay. So here you go. What a glorious, glorious thing, huh? There's that. I guess there used to be a way in here, maybe. So here, if you want to look down in one, you can. That's what they all look like. And you see, they just got that cut out there. So you jump up there and you jump up there and you do the do. So, gotta go somewhere, right? Still, I can't imagine all this brickwork. How hard it would be just to get the brick here, and then to get it to these spots, and then they put it all up one here. Look how tall that is. That's all brick up there. All right. More rooms. These soldiers probably lived in these things, I would have to imagine. Well, actually, this is the bakery. Check out that sign. Where all the bread was cooked for the garrison. Storage for barrels of flour can be seen in the rooms to the right. To use these ovens, you first build a fire in them and let it burn down to ashes. Okay. So there you go. My goodness, that's deep. That goes back in there probably 12 feet, I'd guess. And you see, there's a couple of them. That one's really, really dark. But you got those little doors right there you can close. See, this one don't have those on. It's just got one big outer door. So you got inner doors right there. Then you got these outer doors right there. They make all their dough on these tables, I assume. All right, there's some more stairs going up. All right, so we got this ramp here. I'm gonna walk up it to get up to the top of this fort. You see again, this is all brickwork. Stop D, Siege of Fort Gaines. So you can see all that. Here, I can do this real quick, okay? Pause it and read it. Pause it and read it. Same. 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 Pause and read that part. Pause and read that part. Pause and read that part. Then the pictures real quick. I know it's really quick, but we're out of time. Would have been more guns there. Go up these few stairs here. There's the Gulf. And check it out. If you look out there, you see a great big oil rig out there. Yeah, so here's the front. There's the parking areas right back over there. You see a great big cannon. The ship's out there. Oh, yeah, so you can see that little thing right there has got a piece of equipment on it. Way out there is a oil rig. Way out there is one. Way out there is another one. So they got quite a few of these things. And let's see. So they call this spot 11, north flank. Current stop and the next stop. Okay, they're showing you where to go. I see what they're doing. But you can see the Gulf out there. And then the little moat down there. So you see they got this great big gun. It's pointed out there to the Gulf. And I do mean great big. They got another great big one down there. It's pointed further out in the Gulf. So just trying to protect the fort, obviously. And we'll just go up here. We'll get us an overlook from up here. So you can see this place right there where you could roll things down, I guess. Again, that's where you come into this place. We walked around through there, walked in all these various buildings. All right, so let me go over here, show you one more thing, and then we'll be done. All right, so out here we're going to see one more big old gun. How you doing? Don't climb a cannon. No desire to. But look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Pretty good size, ain't it? And you see it's pointing right out there into the Gulf out there. It's a big bay. It's on this great big thing here. If I stand up here, if I put that right there, you can see that's about the view that cannonball's got coming through there. And there's a car right down there, actually. So I believe it's going to do it for Fort Gaines here for us. Yeah, here's a way we can go back down if we wanted to, but you know, I've already been down all through there. So we will head on out. And see about getting out of here. Pretty neat area. We'll go look at maybe one last thing over there, that building.